The following message is transmitted at the request of some random emergency transmitter. A steamed ham statement has been issued for the city of Springfield, Illinois. Two people known as Seymour and Chalmers have stated that steamed hams is, in fact, steamed hams. Steamed hams, and just fucking steamed hams. All residents in the city of Springfield are requested to do the following. If you see any steamed hams, pick it up, and cook it immediately. I can't think of anything to say beyond this point, so the alert will conclude here. Also, steamed hams,